Hey guys, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to talk about the timeline of success. You see, it's hard to be on the journey of building your business, of trying to create success in your life, wherever it may be, and not really know the paths that you're up against. And I've seen a lot of people get into my space specifically, the internet marketing, make money online space, affiliate marketing, and they struggle because they don't know the expectations to make money and to build their business. A lot of them get into the industry thinking that if they just work for a few days or for a couple of weeks, they're just going to all of a sudden have a breakthrough and have success. And so the purpose of this video is to kind of give you the timeline of how long it would most likely take for you to be successful. So what we're going to do is we're going to, again, call this the success timeline. Okay, and I'm just going to draw a line. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. We should be good. I'm just going to draw a line, horizontal line here and here. And let's say that this is day 0 right here. And then you've got day 90 over here. So we're going to kind of travel throughout time. I'm going to show you guys exactly what to expect 5 days from now, 20 days from now, 30 days from now, 60 days from now, and 90 days from now. So let's start with the 7-day mark, okay? So let's say you're going out there, you're building your business, you're out there promoting, you're out there maybe shooting YouTube videos, maybe you're doing some email marketing, some Facebook promotion, and you get to day 7, right? You get started with the system, you start learning marketing, you start doing some implementing, and you pull a fat 0, okay? This is where most people, this is where they quit, okay? And then what they do is after they quit, they go back to their job. They kind of justify that, I could probably work for the next, 40 to 60 years. I'll be fine. I got health insurance. Everything's good. But then one day your boss just gets under your skin. Your boss just pisses you off and you're back to square one again. You're back to day 0 and you start the whole process over again. Maybe this time you last a couple weeks. Hey, maybe you last a month, but the same thing happens. Now, I want to talk about the law of averages, okay? And typically there's a time when you start creating success and you start having those small breakthroughs, whether it's your first sell, whether it's your first lead, whether it's finally setting up your first web page, you're going to hit those breakthroughs. And it's all really a numbers game. So like for me, my first few years, actually 5 years to be exact, I struggled right here. I thought the secret was joining into the right program. If I could just find the right program, find that secret traffic method, I'm going to be successful. Lo and behold, I found out that the secret was not in the success of a specific traffic method or a specific, network marketing or business opportunity, right? So it taught me a very important lesson. It taught me that, hey, there's got to be some, I'm seeing a lot of people succeeding. There's got to be something wrong with me and what I'm doing. It can't be the system because I'm seeing so many people have success. The thing is, if you quit after 7 days, people are not going to take you seriously, okay? And, they're going to be proved right by you trying some for 7 days and then quitting. And then even if you go on and start promoting something else, they're still not going to take you seriously because all they do is they see you jumping around from thing to thing. They don't see you as a leader. So typically people want to join people that really stick to one thing, that are good leaders, that want to truly help the people that they're coaching. And they're not going to want to join somebody that's just, jumping around from thing to thing. And so again, whether it's, 7 days or it's 30 days, this is typically like the breakthrough phase. Your first, 2 weeks to 4 weeks is really your breakthrough phase. It's where you're gathering a lot of data, okay? So what's going to happen is you're going to go out there, whether you're Facebook messaging, whether you're prospecting, whether you're doing attraction marketing and video marketing, there's going to be a point where you finally find your numbers. And I would urge you to actually log how many people that you're talking to. If you're in network marketing, affiliate marketing, how much traffic you're getting, how much traffic it's taking for you to get that first sale. And what you need to do is you need to keep grinding until you get your first sale. Okay? After you get your first sale, what's going to happen is you're going to continue to grind a little bit. And you're going to get your second sale. And chances are your second sale is going to be a lot faster because now you have clarity as to what it took to get your first sale. And then you'll eventually get your third sale. And guess what? The law of averages will start to kick in. You'll start to realize, hey, I'm getting pretty good at this. It's taken me about, every 50 leads to now get a sale. And that's kind of been proven over the past, 30 days or so. Okay? So once you spend time for the first 30 days just grinding and grinding, trying to find out what doesn't work and what works, after that, your law of averages will start to kick in and they're only going to improve. So what'll happen is by day 90, and this is exactly how it happened for me, for my first 60 days, I was actually just uploading videos on YouTube. I was taking a lot of massive action. I finally figured out what my traffic method was that I was going to choose. And a lot of people struggle with that. Like, do I do Facebook? Do I do YouTube? Do I do Instagram? And you might need to taste a few for a while. And that might be your first 30 days of just testing, right? And so just treat your first 30 days in the business as just, I'm going to test a lot of different things. I'm going to find out what I'm good at, what I'm not good at. And chances are you're not going to be a whole lot good at any of these, but you're going to find ones that you resonate with more than the others. And once you find that, then it's just a matter of consistency. Every single day, putting out content. Okay? I actually talked about this in one of my last videos. It's actually a results video because I got a case study going on right now. And I talked a little bit more about the law of averages. And I talked about, we know that it takes a certain amount of time for a seed to actually grow and turn into a plant. And for us to finally bear the fruit from that plant, right? Same thing with a baby. It takes about 9 months for a baby to be born. You don't just walk in the house 5 days later and wonder where the baby's at, right? There's a gestation and incubation period for everything in existence, even if it's an idea. An idea is just as important as a physical seed, and it takes roughly a certain amount of time for that idea to move into physical form and become reality, right? But you first have to get locked in. For the first 30 days, it's going to be testing, okay? Testing phase. Okay? Test as much as you need to. After your first 30 days, find out what works, okay? And then 30 days, all the way to 90 days, this is going to be your hustle phase. This is where you're going to be putting out content like crazy. You're going to be blogging if you choose to blog. You're going to be doing Facebook posts. You're going to be doing Instagram photos every single day or even 4 times a day. You're going to be doing YouTube videos, right? But what I did is I stuck to one of those, and that's what you're going to want to do. So what this 30 to 90 days for you is going to do is it's going to help you figure out your averages. And once you figure out your averages, it's pretty much game over, okay? And during this process, you're going to have to kind of suspend disbelief. You're going to have to just kind of let go of the what ifs. What if it doesn't work? What if, I can't do this? What if this isn't for me? You sort of have to just let go of that. And you have to trust in the process, trust what I'm saying, and really test this. Really go deep with this, really give it your all. And the thing is, the belief and the effort that you put in your business, that's exactly what you're going to get out of it. And so your life can dramatically change in the next 90 days if you really take this formula and implement it. So for the first 30 days, test a lot of things. Try and find your numbers. Test, Facebook, test YouTube, test Instagram, test solo ads. And then after that, say, okay, I'm going to dive deep into one of these. This is the one that I resonate with. And then from there, what you do is you put out content every single day. From that content, you're going to start to gather data. You're going to start to get your averages. Your averages are going to improve. And then you'll be able to predictably create income on demand because you know what those averages are. So with that said, I hope you got value from this video. If you did, like, comment below. Let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to cover in future videos. Subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn how to build an affiliate marketing business from scratch and implement this 90-day challenge, click the link below in the description, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.